Yeah, so I just wanted to do like an online review for the Shreddin8 program, Charlie Johnson, Shreddin8 program. First, I need to tell you why I decided to do this program, because it was like middle of last summer, about early July, injured myself. So I couldn't get to the gym, and it was I was forcibly couldn't get to the gym. You know, I couldn't do any workouts or stuff. And then around the end of the year, I got ill, was kind of bedridden for about 2 weeks, just over 2 weeks, put on a lot of weight, and I was kind of on that, it was touch and go. I was on that thing where I was like, I'm not feeling the gym today, I'm not feeling gym, and I knew I had to do something. So that's the first thing. I knew I had to do something, and then also I was starting to plateau in different things, and I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. And so I thought, okay, well, let me give it a try now. I've got to tell you, first off the bat, I was very cynical. I'm a very cynical person. When I was a lot heavier, I was 17 stone about 2 years ago or so. I was looking into a lot of different things to get back into getting healthier, losing weight, getting back into a regular routine at the gym. And I dismissed a lot of these programs. There was a lot that I downloaded, and they were like just hype, and they were stuff that I knew already, that my own research had shown me. And so I was very cynical. But from the time I got the workouts from the Shreddin8 program, it was like, okay, yeah, this is different. This is different. This isn't showing me the same thing. The first week, I could feel the changes. Second week, I got noticed a lot more thickness, like in my muscles, my legs. It just showed up that my workouts that I was doing for my legs were just not enough. And so it was like, I cannot sing the praises enough for Shreddin8. So if you're on the fence, or if you're thinking that, you know, is this program going to work for me? Are these results fake? No, they're not fake. They're not fake. And the proof of that is in the Facebook group. You join the Facebook group, and it's just like motivation. Like, I see some people that's lost like a ton of weight, and it doesn't matter what level they're at. It's like motivates you. It just makes you think, yeah, this is good, because I know how hard it is. I was 17 stone. I had to lose a lot of weight. I wish I had this program before, because it would have saved me a lot of time, probably a lot of injuries. So, you know, this was great. I cannot recommend the program enough. Shreddin8, yeah, it's great. So I thank you for that, Charlie. Thank you, man.